Welcome to Spec Dossier, where we break down the numbers, features, and hidden details that make smartphones stand out or blend into the crowd. Today, we're putting two mid-range challengers side by side, the Tecno Spark 40 Pro Plus and the Infinix Hot 60 Pro. On paper, they look like twins, but once we peel back the layers, you'll see the subtle differences that could make one your perfect daily driver. When you pick up a phone, speed is the first thing you notice. No one likes a device that stutters when you open apps or play games. Both the Spark 40 Pro Plus and the Hot 60 Pro come armed with the same MediaTek Helio G200 chip and 8 GB of RAM, which means smooth scrolling, reliable multitasking, and gaming performance that holds up. At first glance, they're evenly matched, but what really decides your experience is how each brand optimizes its software. That's why two phones with the same hardware can still feel different in you. Then comes the battery, because what good is performance if your phone dies halfway through the day? Here, both devices impress with over 5,000 mAh capacity, enough to carry you from sunrise to bedtime on a single charge. But Tecno raises the bar with 30W wireless charging and even reverse wireless charging, meaning you can top up your earbuds or another phone just by placing them on the back. Infinix keeps things simpler with 45W fast wired charging, which is still plenty quick, but lacks the convenience of wireless. If you're someone who hates plugging in cables, that small difference could change how you use your phone daily. Of course, most of your time is spent looking at the screen, and both of these phones make sure your eyes are treated well. The displays stretch out to 6.78 inches with rich AMOLED panels and silky 144Hz refresh rates. Colors pop, blacks are deep, and animations glide like butter. The Spark 40 Pro Plus adds a curved 3D design that looks more premium, while the Hot 60 Pro sticks with a flatter style, but still dazzles with brightness that holds up even in harsh sunlight. Either way, the viewing experience feels far above their price tags. But what about the camera, the feature most people check before buying? Both phones carry 50MP main shooters and 13MP selfie cameras, delivering sharp, colorful photos that hold up on social media. Neither one offers the advanced zooms or wide-angle lenses of flagship devices, but for everyday moments, they deliver more than enough detail. Video recording goes up to 1440p, which is great for vlogs, reels, or casual content creation. The truth here is that you won't see huge differences between them unless you compare images side by side. Storage is another area that looks almost identical at first. 128GB or 256GB options with expandable memory. But the Infinix Hot 60 Pro sneaks in an advantage with its dedicated microSD slot, letting you boost storage without sacrificing a SIM card. For people who download big games, offline music, or keep lots of files on their phone, that small touch makes life easier. The Spark 40 Pro Plus also allows expansion, but the Hot 60 Pro just gives you more freedom in how you use it. Now, software. Both run Android 15, but Tecno's HiOS and Infinix's XOS give each phone a distinct personality. Tecno leans into AI features like smart writing and its Ella voice assistant, while Infinix offers its own bold interface and useful tweaks. Neither brand has the long update guarantees of Samsung or Apple, but for everyday use, both give you the modern Android features you'd expect. The deciding factor here is preference. Do you like Tecno's AI tricks, or Infinix's cleaner but still feature-packed system? Design also plays a huge role in how a phone feels to own. The Spark 40 Pro Plus is remarkably slim at just 6.49mm and weighs around 160 grams, making it light and stylish in your hand. The Hot 60 Pro is a little heavier at about 170 grams, but still slim and modern. Both include Gorilla Glass 7 eye protection and IP64 splash resistance, so they'll handle everyday knocks and light rain. If you want a phone that feels premium and sleek, the Spark might catch your eye, but the Hot holds its own with a practical, durable design. And then there are the extras, the little things that often tip the scales. Both phones have dual speakers and NFC for payments, but they take different paths. The Spark 40 Pro Plus brings Dolby Atmos sound, wireless charging, and even reverse wireless charging, turning it into a mini power bank. The Hot 60 Pro skips those charging tricks, but answers back with JBL-tuned speakers that deliver richer sound. It's a trade-off between audio punch and charging flexibility, depending on what matters most to you. Finally, price. This is where things get really interesting. The Spark 40 Pro Plus sits higher, around $192, $200, about $152, $158, because it offers those premium extras. The Infinix Hot 60 Pro undercuts it at about $144, around £113, for the base model, making it far more affordable while still delivering most of the same performance and display quality. If your budget is tight, the Hot 60 Pro is an easy recommendation. But if you want the full package with wireless charging and a slimmer, more premium design, the Spark 40 Pro Plus justifies the higher tag. So which one should you choose? If you're hunting for the best deal and don't mind skipping a few luxuries, the Infinix Hot 60 Pro gives you fantastic value for money. But if you want those extra features, a sleeker design, and the convenience of wireless charging, the Tecno Spark 40 Pro Plus is the one that feels like it belongs a league above its price. Either way, Spec Dossier has laid out the details. You just have to decide which fits your lifestyle best.